Today I'm going to give you a quick tour of private milestones. And click into one of my projects here, and you're going to see right away that we have a milestone with the little eye on it, and if you hover over you see that it says private milestone. So this isn't a default feature of ActiveCollab 3 or 2, but we had created this for ActiveCollab 2 and now we've brought it to the new ActiveCollab 3 version. So when you click on the milestone, you'll have the option now. You'll see that this is a private object. You'll have the option in the edit screen to change between normal and private visibility. What we've actually added as well is if you switch from private to normal, we'll give you the option to change everything inside that back to normal visibility as well, which is great if you're preparing a milestone with a bunch of tasks in ActiveCollab 3 to prepare for a client, but you want to hide it from them in the meantime just so they don't get confused seeing a bunch of milestones that aren't ready to work on yet, or maybe you're preparing something and all the details aren't there. So once you've got that private milestone, you can go into normal and it'll give you the option to say change all the discussions, tasks, and notebooks attached to this milestone to normal visibility too. If you say OK, it'll go ahead and make all those other items normal when you save the changes. If you say cancel, then it's going to take you back and you can just make the milestone normal and keep the other items private. It's up to you which way you prefer. Again, obviously if you X this out, it won't do anything. If you want to go ahead and do that privacy again, you can make it private, but everything else inside is already private, so it won't give you that warning. So something to keep in mind, the milestones that you create are automatically, when they're private, everything inside of it will be private. Any task that's added to a private milestone will automatically become private. And the reason why is we don't want someone to have the wrong understanding. If they've made a private milestone, they don't want to by accident make a ticket underneath that. It won't have anywhere to hang in the ActiveCollab world for it to see. And so the most important thing is just to make that private so you don't have show something by accident. So I'm going to go back in and say save changes, and then we're going to go to the task view real quick, and you're going to see here as it loads, you're going to see that we've added the private milestone icon next to the get the website ready, so that you can see that the milestone is actually private as well. Obviously you've got the task underneath with the privacy, and that's as normal. So you'll see here, if I quickly open up these the milestone view, you can see from this milestone view it also has the privacy icon. And if I go into that screen and I change this to normal and I decide to say OK to that and save it, we'll go back to this view and you'll now see that all three items are now normal visibility because of the way that we've selected that option. So that is how private milestones works, and feel free to send your feedback. We hope you like it.